Hello, dear learners. Dr. Shubhangi Patil before you for explaining the derivation of saving function, and we'll also do some calculations on it. So, as you all know very well, that income of the country that we earn is divided into two parts. Some part of the income we consume and remaining part of the income we save. So Y is equal to C plus A's. That is, consumption plus saving makes up total income of the country. Now let's solve this equation for savings. So I'm taking saving on this side. So obviously, what is saving? Whatever the part of income which is not consumed is automatically becomes your savings. So thus, saving is equal to Y minus C. Now you have learned a consumption function in the last video. So you know that we write consumption function as what? C is equal to A plus B of Y. This is the consumption function developed by Professor James Keynes. I'm just going to insert this consumption function into this equation. So let's do it. So savings are equal to income of the country minus consumption, which is nothing but A plus B of Y, right? I'm just solving this equation. So Y, since it's a minus sign, I'm solving the bracket. So it is the A will become minus A and minus plus becomes minus B of Y. I'm taking autonomous consumption expenditure and then income of the country minus this value. Okay, minus A remains as it is. We can take Y as common. So this becomes 1 minus BY. So students, this is how we can derive our saving function. Saving is what? Nothing but it's a negative value of autonomous consumption plus 1 minus B, which is nothing but 1 minus MPC, which is MPS of income. That is how much of additional income you are willing to save additionally. That is what is 1 minus B, MPS. So from this saving function, now we can solve the values, we can solve for the values of savings for the country for different levels of income. So let's do it. Okay. I'm just noting down the saving function as S is nothing equal to minus A plus 1 minus B of Y. Let's assume that autonomous consumption expenditure of the country is, let's say, rupees 10 crores and value of MPC, that is additional consumption from additional income, is, let us say, 0.8 or 80%. So obviously if B is 0.8, so 1 minus B becomes 1 minus 0.8, which is nothing but 0.2. So 1 minus B, we need this value to insert into the saving function. So we got the value 0.2. Now let's find out the levels of savings at different levels of income. So let's do one thing. We'll just successively will increase income of the country by 100 crore every time. Let's copy the values of A and 1 minus B over here in the saving function. As you know, A is 10 crore, but it is a minus 10 in saving function plus 1 minus B value is 0.2 of income. Let's start with the income 100. So this is multiplied with 100 crore income. You get the answer yes. You get the answer 10 plus 20 upon 100 into 100. 100 ones are 100. So this is 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. Now let's try to find out levels of saving at higher level of income. Let us say income of the country has increased from 100 crore to 200 crore. So I'm just changing the value of y, keeping the remaining part of saving function as it is. You get 10 as it is. Oh, it's sorry, I made a mistake here. As I said, it's a negative sign for 10. So the value of savings will not be 30, but it will be minus 10 plus 20. So answer will be 10. Okay. Now minus 10 plus 20 upon 100 into new income 200. 100 twos are 200. 20 into 2 is 40. So minus 10 plus 40, you get the answer 30. So this is our values for savings with different values of income. Let's try for one more value for income. Let us say 300. Income is increasing from 100 to 200 to 300. Let's put these values as it is. 20 by 100, it is 20% of 300 income is a part of induced saving. So 100 is a 300, 20 into 3 is 60. So minus 10 plus 60, answer is 50. I am doing it for one more value, 400. 20% of 400 is what you have induced savings. So 20% of 400, 100 fours are 400, 20 into 4 is 80. So minus 10 plus 80, you get answer 70. One more value we'll try. Minus 10 plus 0.2 into 500. I'm just solving this saving function by keeping the value of a and b as it is. 100 fives are 500. So 20 into 5 is 100. So plus 100 minus 10, you get the answer 90. So what we observe here, as income of the country increases, savings are also increasing. 100 to 200, 300, 400, income is rising by 100 rupees, whereas savings are rising from 10, 30, 50, 70, 90. The reason behind this is the value of A and 1 minus B. Okay. So I'm wishing that you all will be solving some more sum on your own by using a book on macroeconomic policy by H.L. Ahuja. And you'll be solving these sums and sending the assignment on LMS. Thank you.